In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account in Uganda. The banks that support PayPal withdrawals is Equity, Stanbic, UBA, and ABSA. Watch until the end of this video. First of all, click the plus sign to follow up our TikTok account, save the video for further use, and also tag someone who might be interested in this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Firstly, I have received a donation of $150 on my PayPal account, and I'm going to show you how you can transfer that money to your bank account here in Uganda. Firstly, log into your PayPal account. As you can see, I'm logged into my PayPal account, and if you check my PayPal balance, it is 143.10 USD, and I can transfer that money from my PayPal account to my bank account here in Uganda. Just navigate where you see PayPal balance, which is $143.10. Click on transfer money. They will take you to a next page where you see the balance that is in your PayPal account. Take note that you can also revise this balance. Assuming I have $143.10 and I want to withdraw $50, I just need to clear and put in $50, of which I'll be able to withdraw the $50 instead of $143.10. Then for me, I want to withdraw all the available balance, which is $143.10 USD, as you can see here. They will take me to a, you can see down there, they are telling me transfer to my debit card, which is 3760. The charge they are charging me is 18,383. Transfers typically arrive in 1 to 3 business days. And then they will show me the transfer amount. I'm transferring 143.10 USD. The fee is 18,388. The exchange rate is $1, which is equivalent to 3,642.3888 Ugandan shillings. In total, I'm transferring 502,838, and that is the money that will finally reflect in my bank account. Down here, you will see this rate includes our current conversion fee, which we apply to wholesale rate provided by our financial partners. When you withdraw foreign currency from PayPal to your bank account, transfers made on weekends or holidays take longer. All transfers are subject to review and could be delayed or stopped if we or your bank identify an issue. Then lastly, you just need to click on transfer now. Finally, you can see you transferred 502,838 Ugandan shillings, estimated arrival 1 to 3 business days. But this has been instant, and I have received the payment immediately on my bank account. You transferred money to your bank using Visa Debit 3760. All transfers are subject to review and could be delayed or stopped if we or your bank identifies an issue. You can see a pop-up on my email. Your transfer was successful. We just need to click on done. Well, you can see now the available balance is $0.00, meaning I have successfully transferred money from my PayPal account to my bank account. To prove that, we will go back to the email. You can see your transfer was successful. You transferred money to your bank. You used your Visa 3760 for this transfer, which is Stanbic Bank. You can see the transaction details, and money has been successfully transferred to my bank account, which is 502,838. And the bank fee was 18,388. If you go to the details, you can see here that the money has been successfully sent to my bank card, Stanbic Bank Uganda. You can see payment that has been successfully sent to my bank account. Well, that is how you transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank card. In addition, we also offer PayPal withdrawal services for users who have money in their PayPal account. We withdraw from $10 up to 100 USD. We also create PayPal accounts for users that are interested, and we create these PayPal accounts for organizations that are interested in receiving donations from their users. What makes us different is we create this organization PayPal account in the organization names. We also create these accounts for freelancers. You are engaging with online sites, there's money, but the modes of withdrawal is PayPal. You can also use this PayPal account. We created these PayPal accounts for people who play games online. We have found out that a lot of Ugandans are playing games online, but the most available mode of withdrawal is PayPal. Simply, you can use this PayPal account. We also set up personal and business accounts for users that are interested. Lastly, follow up our account. In my next video, I will show you how you can make money with your PayPal account instead of signing up and staying with your PayPal account without not making money. Thank you much for watching. Don't forget to like our TikTok account and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested, reach out our WhatsApp number 0707 688 655.